what's up guys, it's Pratik Gaming and today we're gonna play a game called Akinator and it's gonna be my first time playing the game Akinator and
I'm also gonna make an aviation video.
Later. So let's go easy and first guess Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast is literally the easiest. He's with
He does. He has a channel in Mr. Beast Gaming. Does Mr. Beast have classes? No. Yes, he does play Minecraft.
Yeah, he does.
Does he play? Is he an expert in GTA? I'm gonna say probably because
I don't know.
no, Mr. Beast doesn't have a brother. No, Mr. Beast is not married. No, he doesn't. Why do they just all ask? Yes, he is linked with Mr. Beast. Yes, he has a diamond play button. Yes, he does 24-hour challenges. Yes, he does. Beast reacts. How am I supposed to know?
I don't know.
Okay, let's guess it. That was very easy. Alright, so now we're gonna go and move on with Carl, another Mr. Beast member. Carl. Okay,
I can't pronounce it properly.
I got just hit ads nowadays. Alright.
Okay.
Is your character Indian? No, Carl is not Indian. Yeah, you can say Carl is a gamer according to his own channel. Yep, Carl does play Minecraft. No, I don't think Carl hides his face. Yes, he is linked with Mr. Beast. Nope, he doesn't have. Carl is having a child? No, I don't think so. Yes, he is a member of
I
this.
only know that
No,
Chris
I don't
has a
think
child.
Carl
That
has
does.
a beard. Yeah. Does he have a small beard? I'm gonna say I don't know. No, he doesn't have a beard. You're just going from asking to does he have a beard, and then you're asking small beard. Tallest in their band? No, it's Chandler. TV presenter? I'll go for don't know. Famous online game? Probably. I don't know that much about Carl. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Maybe. No, Carl does not live in Kerala. He lives in the US. Does your character have a face?
Of course, he has a face.
Obviously. Does he make Minecraft videos? Yes.
Oh.
Come on, bro. Just you should be guessing right now. I don't know. I think Carl's 25. Yep. And as always, he will guess it. Alright, so now let's go ahead and let's guess a Indian YouTuber. Okay, ads again. Just starts nowadays, okay? Let's guess an Indian YouTuber. Whom shall we guess?
Carry Minati.
Okay, yes, I guess he's a Hindu. Carry Minati does, yes, he has glasses. Okay, he's getting this quick. He's only on question 4. I don't think he has a brother. Maybe a sister, I don't know. Does Carry Minati use bad words? I'm saying probably. I watched his videos. Make Minecraft videos. Yeah, he does. No, I don't think he does. No. Yes, he has 40 million subs, I think. I don't know. Yes, he does. You just asked the same thing again. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yes, he's a Minecraft player. Probably, because I don't know. Maybe. I'll say yes for that. I'm sure he'll have a car. I'm sure Carry Minati is very young. Alright, so no. Is he married?
No.
I'll say no. Has he been member of a famous brand? No.
Don't know.
Yep, I think he played GTA. Yes, he wears glasses. Stop asking me the same thing.
No, he does not create songs.
I am tired. One?
No, he doesn't.
There'll be a picture given here on Carry Minati.
No.
I'll say no because yes, he does have 3 channels.
Does he?
No, I don't think
He does not say as a beast.
so. Does Carry have a dog? Rachitru. Alright, no, and we're gonna continue forward. Continue.
You cannot see my face.
No, Carry Minati doesn't. Probably when he does roast videos. No, I don't think he has a bad temper. Famous brother or sister? No. Don't know. Grand Theft Auto 5 videos? Yeah, I guess. Yes, he has over 9 million. No, I don't think so. I don't know. Again, who's Gamer Fleet? What's his name then? Oh wait, no, why I accidentally pressed yes.
Only that.
I'll just
There's no
add.
the scan.
Alright, so now who shall we guess? let's guess techno gamers. Ujjwal Chausa. Oh, nice. I think so. He's a Hindu. I know more. I know about him. Yeah, he's a gamer. Maybe has a sister. No, he doesn't have glasses. Yes, he makes Minecraft videos a lot. No, he doesn't hide his face. Probably, I think he's married. Probably. No, I don't think he has. Probably he's Marathi. No, he doesn't live in Italy. No, does not live with the grandmother, I think. Probably he makes funny. No, he's not from China. Yes, he's Indian.
Don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. No, I don't think he ever went to America. Now again, stop asking me the same thing. Since when does techno gamers look like a snake? Does he make videos without showing their face? No, I don't think so. Most of yes, he does make videos on gaming. Maybe he played Guitar Hero. Yes, he does Redstone in Minecraft. No, he's not fat. Maybe he's an expert in GTA. I'll just go yes. I think so. Okay, that was easy. Ujjwal choice. Chaurasia.
Welcome to the super hard level. Can you guess you?
Oh, can he guess me? Come, let's go ahead.
I mean, one time.
I've already got the Aki. No, not a. Alright, now time for the hard part. Can he guess me?
And the most hardest is me. He can't. guess
Alright, yes, I do make
I have
videos on
lessons
gaming.
What are you doing, man?
Video bana raha hu.
me. Just one
Alright,
time.
no, I don't wear glasses. Yes, I'm a Hindu. Great, you're knowing about me also at this video. No, I don't make Minecraft videos. Do I have 9 million subs? Last time I checked, I have only 47. No, I
48.
I don't hide my face.
Just
What's this video making it? I'm not hiding my face. I never use bad words. Maybe I have used sometime, I don't know. I am not a female. Are you famous?
No.
I'll say yes. Yeah, I do go to school, but not here. Because I'm in Surat and I live in Bangalore. No, I don't have a sister. Yes, I do ride cycle. No, I don't have a silver play button. Wish I
I
could
will
have.
sleep.
I'm not linked with a white dog. Come on. Yes, I'm known for making YouTube videos. Is a cavalier a
not
YouTuber? Yes. No, I don't have. I'm a gamer, you can say. No.
No.
React to funny videos, I don't react. Who is this technical guys? Okay, I'll say no. No. Because that's not me, you all know. Yes, I'm from my family. I don't know what that is. You can say, yeah, I'm using Akinator right now. Yes, I am on me, but I want to guess my channel. No, I have both my parents. It's just that younger than you. Am I younger than myself? No, I'm not. Now you will say yourself. I became Akinator before Akinator. Okay, I'll say no. Come on, please guess me. Guess me. I am created by me, but I want to guess. No. No. Yes, I'm a boy. No, I'm not in my house. I'm in
I'm
Surat.
not in.
But I could say yes
I'm
because
not showing on the camera. I'm just doing something.
who is Mr. Brother?
Yeah,
Who is Mr. Brother?
definitely not.
No.
After this, not after this video. When we are done all
Well, I have
all
been in
this,
a deep sleep sometimes, so I'm gonna say probably. Yeah.
wait. You can.
No, bro. No. Bro, Akinators, I just going through some uneven flow. No, I'm not related to a song.
Please show them who Mr. Brother is. Like,
I don't
search
know.
if he has a channel. Mr.
I don't know.
That's a channel.
Does your character know you're playing? Yes, I know I'm playing. Yes, my mother's alive. Please don't say that. Okay, you're right. I'm thinking of myself. At this point, I'm just going to beat Akinator. Come on, guess me. Yes, I live in India.
Oh,
How am I linked to you, bro? You're a genie. I'm a person. I'm gonna say don't know. Yes, I'm Indian. Don't ask me the same thing. My mother, also my mother, yeah. Not me in the future. Bro, just quit Akinator. We're already at 42 questions. Okay, I don't play Minecraft. I hope I do soon. Yeah, I do control myself, but I want my channel. No, I am not in my room. Yes, I have a gaming channel on YouTube. Yes, it guessed me. Okay, guys, let me tell you the story behind this. So I decided to add myself on the list and then give it a guess, and I finally got my guess. Alright, guys. Okay, this is going to be the last round.
And then search Mr. Brother into the channel.
It may be. Alright, come, let's guess. Saksham Gaming. Then. Okay, alright. Since we're guessing Saksham, I'm gonna give Saksham the controls.
Thanks. Okay. I am a gamer. Yes. I don't wear eyeglasses. I go to school. No. I don't have a dog.
Okay,
I don't have a dog.
Nah.
Yeah.
You said probably. Yeah?
Yeah. No.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're using Activator.
Please don't tell the answers. I'll ask you for. No. Yeah. I don't know what that means. Yes, I'm a male. No, I'm not in my room. Yes, I'm in my room. I don't play for Chile. No.
Mind.
Yeah. No.
Mobile Legends.
No.
Are you far away from yourself?
No. Yeah. No.
No, we are not in my house. Just battery things today. Yeah, you can say yes.
I want to say the people.
Is your character in your
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not.
Yes, you do play mobile games.
Yeah.
Like Geometry Dash or anything.
No.
We have 400k subs. Technical guys.
Who's technical guys, first of all?
IDK yes.
Yeah.
I don't think I
Yeah. I don't have a
You're guessing
silver pen.
all that same thing only.
Yeah. I am.
Okay, don't do it.
Yeah. No.
You have millions of fans.
Yeah.
Show your face. You can say yourself, but I think at this point Saksham is going to beat Akinator.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah. Yeah.
No. You're linked to Akinator, you're a genie.
No.
No. Yeah, your grandparents are also my grandparents. Are mine? Are
Yeah, I'm Indian. I don't fight with.
Oh, you fight
I
with
don't.
yourself?
No, I don't. No, I'm not a
Fight with
female.
you,
No.
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 Do you live with your character?
I live with myself.
Obviously. No. You stop asking.
No.
Not Iceland. We're from India.
No.
You already asked. We said yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. You're a
Yes, I'm a boy. No.
No, just Agreed is just asking if Saksham the boy.
Has
Later
your
ask if
character
you're
come into your family after you?
girl. Actually, say don't know.
Don't know.
होमवर्क हम स्कूल ही तो जाते हैं होमवर्क ही मिलेगा ना Saksham,
No, I don't.
fell into deep sleep.
I don't.
In love with yourself?
Yeah.
Oh. It's just admitting.
No.
Wonder which relative they would.
Yeah. What does affinity mean?
Just say no.
I just don't know. No.
Yeah.
I care about
You
myself.
care about yourself.
No.
चलो भाई ये मीडिया
No.
तुम यूट्यूबर
Yeah.
ही तो हो ना
Yeah, I don't have. I don't have.
Not me. You're guessing me. Guess me.
No.
बैग में
I know my name.
relax तो
I have Indian I am not linked with music. I don't wear women's clothing.
Oh, last time I heard, I thought you were linked with music.
Not Mr. Brother. ये wait.
कलर नहीं रखना कलर पेंसिल
You put that in my bag. Yeah, yes, we're going. No, I'm not related to him. No! Yeah, I know what I'm playing.
Pencils.
No.
तेरा पाउच रख ले तो
No.
कौन सा pouch?
पेंसिल्स का
No! I don't look at him.
He's quitting.
Yeah.
I thought I would see. Bro, we are already in 70 questions. You probably
पाउच
looking for a better life. Are
No.
you? My bro.
Yeah. No.
Actually, yeah, you're not famous. We both are underrated. No,
No, I'm not a social media.
blood related.
Yes.
No.
You only have to do questions.
Alright, since he's not in the list, let's go check. Not on the list. Saksham beat Akinator at last. I'll type Saksham Gaming.
Saksham Gaming.
Saksham the gaming.
Not Saksham the Gaming.
YouTuber. Is it this one?
No.
Okay, I'm not on the list. Okay. Saksham gaming.
Right, Saksham.
No, I read Saksham gaming. पूरा proper ही होना चाहिए भाई. Hey, why are you switching on the line? Alright, I'll type yourself YouTuber.
You. What do you prefer?
बस एक ही दो इसका. What? Gamer. Let me guess. चलो हो गया ना? Not famous.
What
Okay.
is mine?
Alright. Alright guys, so that was the end of the video. Subscribe for more videos like this.
Wait, I told that.
And I'll see you in the next video.
That is so